Hello, guys. This is Exceptional World, the queen of digital skills. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. Watch out.
So, we have this platform called Seller. They have affiliate network. So, if you want to start affiliate business, you have to look for companies with affiliate network. And this is one of them. As you can see on their page, they say earn extra income promoting other people's products. So, affiliate marketing is about earning money while promoting what other people have created. So, you see, this affiliate company Seller is one of the pro company you can sign up with. So you just read through how to join and then you open an account. The Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. You can see it's affiliateprogram.amazon.com. So you click on it to sign up with them. So this is the Amazon affiliate section. You read through, you ensure you read through, and then you either log in if you have an account or you sign up. Okay, so you click on sign up. Create a new Amazon account, and then you put in your name, your last name, your email, your password, and then you create the Amazon account. So they've sent an OTP that you will now put in the OTP here. So they've sent it to me, and I'll put in the OTP code. So click on create your Amazon account. So now you put in all the necessary details. So I'll do that shortly and I'll get back to you. So and they're asking you for your website and your mobile app. Now this website, you can use your Facebook URL, user URL. Okay? Or if you have a website, you can use your website. So I'll put in my website. Make sure you read everything and do accordingly. So it took us here to put our profile. What's your preferred store ID? Tell us about the content you want to create. So the following, you just read all through the process and then you follow suit. How do you hear about us? The capture SB28DC. You agree to the terms and then you finish. Congrats, Christina Paul. Thank you for applying for the Amazon Associate Program. Your unique associate ID is. So you see, there are other things they said here which you have to read through. If your affiliate link has not been referred sales, the next one at 80 days, the application access to will be withdrawn. So you need to enter your payment and your tax information. You can do it now or later. So let's click on later. So I can go and see the products. So this is very simple. This is just how to become an affiliate. Click here and come to the banner. Once you click on banner, it will take you to where you can see the products, the banners of the product, and the link, which you can even embed into your website. You see, do you know you can actually sell Amazon product on your own website and it will be linked to Amazon? So people come to your website thinking they are buying from you, then once they click on a link, it will direct them to Amazon, where they will now buy and then the commission comes to you. So look at this one. Are you seeing this? You can put this, say 50% off promo code. You can use this as a promo code, and then you look at the can use the HTML link you can embed into your website. You can see. So you just do that for each of the products. This is how to start up your affiliate business, get your website, or you have a link, a website, a WhatsApp, and then you go ahead.
Now that you have watched it, please like, share, and comment. Tell me what you want, and I'll give you more information on how to set up.